Hello everybody, this is Shreya. Welcome to my channel. My channel's name is Mixed Emotions, and I hope everybody of you will like this. And yes, do support me and like, comment, and subscribe my video as you have been doing. Thank you so much. Keep watching.
Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Mixed Emotions. Today I will be showing the date night glam look. As you all can see, I'm already done with the moisturizing part. I will be directly starting off with this look. At first, for today's look, I will be using the BB cream and not the foundation, and I will be mixing up the BB cream with coconut oil. And as I've already mentioned, you can use any kind of carrier oil if you have a super duper dry skin and if you have been suggested by your dermat. So this particular look is a very fond look of mine, and you can also try putting the BB cream by putting this particular cream on your foundation brush, and you can also spray the makeup setting spray. Here I'm using the rose water Kama Ayurveda from Kama Ayurveda to set up this particular look. The entire look will be complemented when you all will see this video, and you all will show your reviews or exclaim your reviews. How are they? What is wrong? What is right? Everything and anything is welcome. Please do write your suggestions in the comment box. And yes, as you all can see, this is my new channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my videos, my contents. That is very much essential, guys. So do not forget. And my channel's new name is Mixed Emotions, as you all know. I will be concealing my eye area, as eye area plays a very important role as the maximum the maximum like the winged liner or the eyeshadow part, everything goes to the eye, so concealing the eye is very much needed. I'll be switching over to set up the entire concealer look with the help of Maybelline powder. This particular process is known as baking. As you all know, baking is a process which helps to set the entire look or the entire foundation or the BB cream or concealer which you have put in your face. The particular base is actually you can say set by the process called baking. That is, you set the entire base by using the powder. So I will be also trying to do the same, but I will be concentrating more on the eye area, as I have already said that as I will be donning a winged liner look and with bold red lips. For that is the reason popping up my eye and concentrating on my eye in this particular look is very much needed. You can use any kind of color from your eyeshadow palette. Today I will be using the ash color. The ash color on my upper eyelid and the lower eyelid. That will complement my look. The winged liner look is a very favorite look of mine, and it particularly is a type of glam look which I feel it to be. Basically, I won't do much with the eyeshadow part. I would be simply sliding over my eyes, and I will be just blending the same. I won't use any other kind of eyeshadow in this look, as I would love to highlight my winged liner and not my eyeshadow in this particular makeup. So yes, if you want, you can use any kind of other eyeshadow color, either it's golden or reddish or mauve. So that will be according to what suits your look or what suits your eyes or what suits your entire makeup. I'll be using the Absolute Shine Lakme liner for my winged eyeliner makeup look. The winged liner makeup look is very favorite look of mine, guys. If you want to know or if you want to learn the know-how of making this winged liner, you can drop a comment in the comment section. I would again provide a video for the same. Now this look gets complemented when you use the white kajal in your lower eyelash or the lower eyelid. Yes, I will be using the Maybelline white kajal. The white kajal plays a very important role in popping up your eye. If you use a white kajal, it actually pops up your eye instantly and your eyes looks much bigger. And for this particular look, your eyes needs to pop up. So this is the way where you can. actually. I will be switching over to my eyebrows. Eyebrows again plays a very important role. So the entire eye area plays a very important role, as I've already been telling you. Guys, how you all are and how you all have been doing in this quarantine, do let me know in the comment section. You can also DM me in my Instagram profile. Do let me know how you all are spending your quarantine. I will be highlighting the area under my brows and also the inner corner of my eye, as highlighting these areas makes your eyes look bright and bigger. This quarantine is actually letting me do many stuffs which I can share with you all, starting from makeup videos, travel vlogs, etc. So how you all are spending your quarantine, do let me know in the comment section. And guys, this is my new channel. I would again request all of you that if you love the videos, do let me know. Do like, comment and subscribe. If you do not love the videos, also do let me know. If there are any suggestions, also do let me know. So everything is welcome here. I will be curling my lashes. As I've already said, curling your lashes is a very important step in order to make your eyelash look proper. Many of us use false eyelash extension. Well, I am not a very big fan of this because I feel that I'm absolutely naive about the same. I don't know the proper way to use it. Yes, I do confess it. So I prefer using the normal mascara and not the false eyelash extension. But I hope somewhere or someday in the future I will be able to learn this. I will be blushing my face. The blush also plays a very important role in this look. But I wouldn't prefer you guys to put a hell lot of blush. Simple light blush is needed. That is what I will be doing. Blush, blush and blush. But do not forget to blush if you're out for a date with this look. The blushing plays a very good role in impressing the opposite person, I guess. Okay. I will be highlighting my cheekbones, nose area and the upper lip area. Highlighting is also playing a very important role here. You can highlight the way you want. And the massacre with my life is that I've lost my massacre. What am I saying? I've lost my highlighter brush. I have many of my makeup products are ending up. I don't know what to do, whether to order it online, whether to buy it from outside, because the situation is not at all cool here or not at all good here. I will be complementing this look with the sugar lipstick. Guys, this particular look actually gets complemented when you go for bolder lips. Okay, so using a bold lipstick is very much needed, whether it is red, whether it is maroon, whether it is deep pink. But I would prefer you to go for red, as red gets complemented with black. So the entire looks gets really defined when you use the bold lipstick. I'll be setting up this entire makeup with a makeup setting spray from Kama Ayurveda. You can use any kind of makeup setting spray which you have. I've already said that I do not refer or I do not recommend any kind of products, because the one which suits your skin is the product which is actually meant for you. So you need to find it out yourself, guys. These are the things which suits me. So whatever suits you, go for that. I will be complementing this look with silver accessories. Again, silver plays a very important role when you wear a black gown or a black salwar or a black sari. This entire makeup look is actually for these three clothes, or for these three look. You can actually don this makeup look whenever you wear any black sari or a black kurti, okay, or a black lehenga. This look would actually look very gorgeous. So and using silver jewelry makes this entire look complete. As you all can see, my entire look gets complemented with the silver necklace Yes, and I would prefer not to straighten my hair today because I feel the natural curls which I have is it actually it volumizes my hair, and it absolutely goes with this look. I do not prefer straightening my hair because at times I think that my hair looks very pale and thin. So this is the particular look which I was talking about, guys, the date night glam look. I've finally completed the look. And yes, guys, if you have any suggestions, if you have any queries, you can put a comment on the comment section, and please do not forget to hit the bell icon, and do share this video. Sharing is caring, as you all know. So yeah, you can share the video with your friends if you like the video, and do let me know your quarantine routine, as I would love to connect with all of you, and I would love to read your suggestions, your valuable comments, and everything. Yes, so just go for it, and hope all of you are doing good, hope all of you are at home. And yes, my new channel, Mixed Emotions, do not forget to comment upon its name, whether you like this name, Mixed Emotions, or not. I would love to know. Do let me know. You can DM me in my Instagram profile or in my Facebook account. I would share the link with all of you. So yeah, maybe that's all for today. Goodbye, take care, stay safe, and keep watching, guys. Thank you so much.